Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ope, and on my channel here I dish out natural hair care and growth secrets, as well as serve beautiful styles great for natural hair. Why don't you hit that subscribe button as well as click that notification button so you never miss a video. In today's video I am bringing a new flat twist style, and I have a playlist on flat twist styles, and I will link them down below if you'd like to see them. I will also be showing how I achieve a bun on my hair, especially when it is damp or when it was short. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, my hair is slightly stretched. I did some twists, and when I unraveled them, my hair came out a bit stretched, and I just decided to do the style on my stretched hair rather than dampen it. And my hair was already detangled because they were in twists, which were detangled from my moisturizing routine. If you'd like to know more about my moisturizing routine, I have several videos on them, and I'll be leaving a link to the playlist down in the description box. Today's style, as usual, is going to be very simple. I'm basically making a middle part, and then I will have two sections where I'll do a flat twist from the beginning to the end of that section. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just basically two flat twists rather than two plaits or two braids as you would normally do. If you see some flakes while I'm filming, do not worry, it's just residue from the gel I used the last time I made a hairstyle. that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and click that notification button so you never miss a video. If you'd like to see more styles like this, I have a playlist for my flat twist styles, and I'll be leaving the link down in the description below. I upload every Tuesday and Friday at 3 p.m. so why don't you subscribe so you do not miss any video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.